Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal ngasi World Hypertension Day lising ani kunya taru ki thoram RIMS Hospital gi General OPT Complex ta pangthokrai Controlling Hypertension Together haiba theme asigi makhada pangthokhiba thoram aduda RIMS ki Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma RIMS Hospital gi MS Professor N Sanjeev RIMS ki Department of Medicine gi Head Dr Chongtham Dhanaras amadi SAP Kayakov RIMS ki Nodal Officer Professor Y Govindaras Namaroi Bamitulan Singwene Sharukyake. Thormaduga Mari Lenana Professor Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar Saraman Hai Hypertension Hybasi silent killer amane Masina Haksangi Maroi Bakayat Kayada Sokhali Maramaduna Miyamna Chang Naina blood pressure monitor Taubagi Tangai Fadabalei Mathau Tarabadi Dr. Singatanaraga Hidak Lang Thak Chagadabani Chang Naina Haksang Sajal Taugadabani Amadi Thumka Hena Yaudaba balance Oiba Chinjak Sing Chagadabani Hypertension na Malemgi Mioi billion Amaga Dasmik Marirom Sokhali Masigi Manungda million Chaniga Kundi India Khaktadani Laina Sinamara Moraga Chahi Amadami million Tara Mangarom Siba Thingnari Maramaduna Miyamna Haksang Phaba Punsi Mahing Amada Hingna Bahotnabagi Tangai Fadabalei Thau Thumka Hena Yauba Chinjak Sing Yariba Makai Charoi Dabani Haina Sumahangna Makadana Fongdoki Thoramadugi Sarukamoina health checkup amadi free screening kem amasu pangthokuna lemna blood pressure check tauba ECG lauba amadi blood sugar screen taubagi khudong chabasu fanghanki maduda mathau taba patient singda hidak langthak kayasu lemna fanghanki
I can estimate around 100 plus adagi mayam lakpiri bahan sing na BP si am line control tawbung bana bani aduga regularly check tawraga akoina isagi oinabak wangagan hidak chabiro wangragana please continue doing your good work once again aduga BPC mayam changna koina control tawinasi adu khaimaru baina mon haijar ngasi sidan loina leisi including everyone. I think I the blood pressure wala lakram so means I can say I'm normal but mayam sidala ibo mayam BP wala ga loi hanbiu aduga wangagana koi process daral ka MS ka hidak pirani aduga please continue eating please taking your drugs aduga ayeng normal lena normal tarama ne lebi ko check amuk to view because it is a silent killer adu hairaga ai mayam asigi koi event da sida lakui bagi especially Sunday morning sida lakui bagi mayam bu thagachari